In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product catalog for your clothing business. So the catalog is going to look something like this. The images are clickable, you can zoom in on them. The catalog is 100% digital, so you can easily share it with all your customers. So some prerequisites before we get started. I'm using a platform called WHINST to create the catalog. You can head over to WHINST.com and create a free account. So that's the first thing you need, a free account at WHINST.com. The second thing is pictures of the products you're selling. So pictures of the items you're selling that you want to include in the catalog, you're going to need that. The third thing is information on the products that you're selling. That's the name of the product, the price, and description. But that's optional. You don't need to have that. You're also going to need a store logo, which is optional as well, and your store contact information. So this is needed for your clients or for your customers to contact you if they like an item on your catalog, though that's optional as well. Okay, so once you've created a free account at WHINST.com and you log in, you're going to be presented with a dashboard similar to this one. Just like this, minus these catalogs that I've already got created, the K code and thrift store. So you want to head over to create new. Once you get to create new, you have an upload image option, store name, currency, email, and phone number. So I'm just going to go right ahead and add this information. Okay, so as you can see, I've added a store logo. I've added the name of the store, the currency I want the prices in the store to be displayed in, that's USD. The email, I've just chosen any random email for display purposes, and a phone number. So once you've got all of this set up, again, the email, the phone number are optional. You don't have to put that. The store logo is optional as well. So once you've got that, once you've put that, you can go ahead and create the catalog. So once you've created your catalog, you are presented with this screen. So on the screen, you've got first a view button, which just shows you how the catalog will look for the customer. I'll show you that in a bit. You've also got a format button. So the format button allows you to change the format of the catalog. So right now it's 3x3. You can easily change it to 2x2. So the same button, the format button is also on the actual catalog that your customers will see, so they can also change the format depending on how they want to see it. You've also got a share button, which gives you options on how to share your catalog. More on that in a bit as well. And you have a delete button just in case you want to delete the catalog. You've also got information on your catalog, so that's your store name, your logo, the currency, the phone number you put in, and the email you put in. Then you also have an option to edit your catalog details, as if you want to change the store name, the phone number, the email, the currency, or the logo. You also have the option to do that. So we just go straight in to add in products to this catalog. So if you want to add a new product, just head straight to create new. Okay, so once you click on the create button, you're presented with a screen that shows you what information you need to put in to create a product. So you've got an upload image button, you've got a product name button, product description, price, and quantity. So once you put all of this in, you can go ahead and create. That will add a product to your catalog. So I'm just going to go right ahead and add that in. Okay, so once you've added everything in, it will look sort of like this. You've got your image there, you've got the name, description, price, and quantity that you just entered. Once you've put in every field, you can then go ahead and create. And please note that not all of these are compulsory. You know, I think product price and quantity aren't compulsory, so you can just they're options. So you can just go ahead and create or add the product. So once you add a product, it looks something like this. It's going to appear in the catalog editor. So what you want to do now is just repeat that process for every product that you've got, or every product that you want to appear in your product catalog. Okay, so now that you've added every product or all your products, the catalog editor is going to look something like this. So if, say, you made a mistake or you want to delete a product, you can easily just click on the product, and then an edit page will pop up, so you can either delete the image of the product, change the name, edit whatever it is you need to edit, or you can delete it altogether. So if you want to get an idea of how the catalog is going to look when your customer views it, you can click on the view button in the top left corner. So the catalog is going to appear like this with all your products listed, so your customers can click on them to get a better, or to get a bigger image, and they can get more detailed information. So stuff like description and quantity is only going to appear once your customer clicks on the product or zooms in on the product. So then the customer can also change the format. There's a format button, and then they can get, instead of it being in a 3x3 view, they can get it in a 2x2 view, just like this. Then there's also a contact button, so your customers can click on contact to get your contact information. That's your phone number and email if you put it in. So now that you're done creating your catalog, you've added everything you wanted to add, and you've seen how the catalog will look when your customers view it, you can click on the share button. So the share button just gives you options on how you can share your catalog. So you've got a QR code, you've got a QR code here, you've got a link as well, and you've got a download button. So download button allows you to download the QR code, which you can print out. It's an image of the QR code, so you can print it out, you can put it on a store, on anything really, whatever you want to do with a printed copy of your QR code. Then you've also got a copy button. That's a copy button. The copy button will copy the link of the catalog, which you can then share via SMS or text or whatever. Then you also have an option to share it on Facebook, X, and WhatsApp. So that's how you create a catalog for your clothing business. A catalog you can easily share with all your customers. So I'm going to add a link to this catalog if you want to check it out, see how it looks on your device. I'm going to add a link in the description and the comment section. I also add a link to WHINST.com so that you can go ahead and create an account if you want to create a catalog similar to this. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment.